Based on the popular movie series, Indiana Jones Adventure is a fabulously themed attraction with a groundbreaking enhanced motion vehicles ride system. The vehicles have onboard computers that control their movements and sync them to the ride's action. Beware of the rolling boulder. And the snakes. Why does it always have to be snakes? Indiana Jones Adventure is an e-ticket in every sense of the word. Indiana Jones Adventure also makes our list of Disneyland's most thrilling rides. 1. Adventureland in Disneyland Park. 2. Height requirement, 46 inches. 3. Thrill scale, 4.5. It's not a coaster, but the vehicles are somewhat aggressive, the sets can be dark, and the action can be scary for younger passengers, as well as wimpy adults. 4. Fastpass, yes.